Hi, I'm Shomik, Team Elegant Dreamers. My job is to manage everything related to the campaign, and that's why I'm being called the Management Maestro.
Hi, I'm Rashidul Islam, product designer in Elegant Dreamers. I used to identify problems in existing design and innovate new designs.
Hi, myself Aram Shabab in Team Elegant Dreamers. They call me a strategic planner. I used to develop strategies how we can execute our plans.
Our first action plan is to approach the school authority, the headmaster and the principal, and to talk to them regarding the maintenance of quality and standard toilets for use in the rural areas for the school-going children. In this aspect, according to the certification or the criteria for maintaining the quality, we have set three important parameters. The toilets must be functionable with adequate water facility. Secondly, it has to have the lockable system, and last but not the least, particularly for the female students, there must be separate toilets. Now then, after 6 months, there will be an audit to check. It will be an external audit to check if all the criteria are being met, and after 1 year of maintaining this criteria, if the school is able to meet the quality standards, then they will be certified with the UNDP certificate for having functionable, lockable and gender separate toilets for use.
A Lifebuoy hand wash container is lucrative and important home care application. As many of the schools do not have the hygienic hand washing facilities, students may want to take this hand wash to their school, but they can't take it. But the question is why? Firstly, this is not handy and it cannot be carried in the school bag because of its big nozzle and big size. Secondly, it may drip and the liquid may spill out of the bottle and there may be a disaster in the school bag. And thirdly, it is not affordable for the rural people. To solve all these three problems, we have come up with some solutions which is cost effective and easy to be carried in a school bag. Our second action plan is to redesign a usable and easy to carry liquid hand wash bottle. We call it the mini wash. It has got a height of 10 cm and breadth of 4 cm. It is cost effective, and in the first case, it will be provided absolutely free to the school children. We would encourage them and explain as to why they should use it.
Our third and final plan is to create awareness among the school-going children, particularly the girls and their mothers. In this case, we would like to meet them and discuss with them about the importance of maintaining healthy and hygienic life. Usually, the school-going girls, they are reluctant to use their toilets in the school because they are neither safe nor hygienic. But if we implement two of our previously discussed plans, the situation will be changed and developed. The toilets will be lockable, safe, hygienic, and gender separated. Last but not the least, our female representatives can freely and openly discuss with the girls about their health issues such as their urinary infection, their dehydration or menstruation period problem, and finally they can make them realize why to use the toilets regularly in order to maintain a good health.
Team Elegant Dreamer hopes that if these three action plans could be implemented, this campaign could turn out to be a success, thus eradicating the health and hygiene issues in the rural areas of our country and establishing functionable, lockable and gender separate toilets for use.